What if I told you that you could whiten your teeth at home, safely, naturally, and for less than $3? In and no dentist visits, no overpriced whitening strips, no sensitivity. And best of all, no damage to your gums or enamel. If your teeth are yellowed from coffee, tea, red wine, or just the effects of aging, this is going to help you. Today, I'm showing you a simple 2-ingredient remedy that's not only cost-effective, but scientifically backed. And afterward, I'll share 2 powerful tips. One about oil pulling, an ancient detox practice, and another about how sugar might secretly be sabotaging your gums and letting bacteria into your bloodstream. Yes, this video goes deep. Let's get started. An light bulb. Why most teeth whitening methods are risky and expensive. Before I give you the exact recipe, let's talk quickly about what people usually do to whiten their teeth and why it can be harmful. Most over-the-counter whitening strips contain one major active ingredient, hydrogen peroxide. That's what does the actual whitening, but these strips cost anywhere from $20 to $40, and they often come with a catch: tooth sensitivity. You may have even felt that sharp sting on your teeth after using them. Now, when you go to the dentist for a whitening procedure, they use hydrogen peroxide too, but at concentrations as high as 40%. On top of that, they often apply LED or ultraviolet light to speed up the chemical reaction. And yes, it works fast. But here's the problem. Concentrations of hydrogen peroxide, combined with light exposure, can irritate your gums, dehydrate your teeth, and leave you with pain or heightened sensitivity that lasts for days. What I'm going to show you avoids all of that. It's safe, simple, and gradual, because health should always come first. To the $3 home whitening recipe, NSO. Let's talk about the 2 ingredients you'll need and then checkmark. Ingredient number 1, baking soda. I picked up a box of baking soda for just $1.79, and it's one of the most overlooked tools for oral health. Is it effective? It acts as a gentle abrasive, helping remove surface stains without damaging enamel. It has alkaline properties, which neutralize acids in the mouth that can erode your teeth and feed bad bacteria. And it fights plaque and freshens breath. And no, baking soda is non-abrasive when used correctly, and is even recommended by many dentists for occasional whitening. Test tube how to make the whitening paste ready for the steps. It takes just 2 minutes. Get a small bowl or container. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 3 drops of 3% hydrogen peroxide. Add 8 drops of water. Mix until you get a smooth paste. Now here's the science. When you mix hydrogen peroxide and baking soda, you create a mildly foaming paste that releases oxygen. This oxygen breaks down chromophores, the molecules responsible for stains, and gently lifts them away from the enamel. Toothbrush, how to use it properly. Dip your toothbrush into the paste. Gently brush your teeth in circular motions. Focus on the outer and inner surfaces. Do this for 1 to 2 minutes only. Do not scrub hard. You're polishing, not scouring. When finished, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Warning: important, do not swallow the paste. Also, don't use this more than 2 to 3 times per week. Overuse, even of gentle remedies, can wear down enamel over time and tear off calendar. How often to use NTO? See noticeable whitening. Start with 2 to 3 times per week for 2 to 3 weeks. After that, you can reduce to once a week as maintenance. Some people start to see a difference after the very first week. The results are gradual but safe, and that's what matters. When you start noticing whiter teeth, drop a comment. I'd love to hear about it. Shield bonus: why this also improves oral health. Beyond just whitening, this mixture kills harmful bacteria in the mouth, helps prevent plaque formation, can reduce bad breath, creates a less acidic, more alkaline environment in your mouth. It's not just cosmetic. It's a tool for better dental hygiene overall.